Sam. Need any help?
Yes, I do. It's my first day on the job, and I'm not sure how to do this.
Here, let me make it easier for you.
Whoa!
So, is this enough of a clue for you?
Yeah, but how do you relate them to the numbers?
Firstly, you need to understand fractions.
I do understand fractions. The top number is the numerator. The bottom number is the denominator.
More than that, denominators indicate the number of equal shares of a whole. And numerators indicate how many out of the denominators are counted.
Okay. How does that help me add or subtract fractions?
When you add fractions, you're just adding up the parts of a whole. So, if the denominators are the same, you don't have to change the denominator. Just add up the numerators.
Oh, so that means 2/5 plus 1/5 equals 3/5. Yes, it works.
The same principle also applies for subtracting fractions.
Thanks, Professor.
You're welcome.